What's the meaning of agency? Agency. 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 Agency refers to the capacity of an individual or organization to act independently and make choices that influence their own lives or the lives of others. It is the ability to make decisions, take actions, and assume responsibility for those actions. Having agency means having a sense of control over one's own life and being able to make choices that affect one's future. It involves having the power, resources, and support to make those choices. The concept of agency is crucial for understanding human behavior and decision-making processes.